Hello my dear students, welcome back to online class. Previous class we have started a new chapter from your NCERT book Science, chapter number 10, Respiration in Organisms. In previous class we have already discussed what is respiration, and this was a just introductory class. Now today we will discuss about the site of respiration, means where respiration takes place. Okay, so let's begin. So how respiration takes place and where respiration takes place, means what is the site of respiration. Okay, so mainly in our body cells respiration takes place. Body cells means building block of our body. Just as you can see the next slide here, there are so many bricks which are assembled to make the wall. For this wall, bricks are the building block. Okay, just like this, cells are building blocks of our body, and there are different types of cell present in our body. So cells are structural and functional unit of our life. Now we will see how a cell is look like. So students, why do we respire? All the living organisms are made of small microscopic units. They are called cells. Okay, and cells are also called structural and functional unit of life. And these cells have different function to perform in this organism, such as digestion, respiration, transportation, excretion. Okay, so such life processes is done through these cells, and the cells can perform this function only if they get the energy to do so. Hence, all living organisms need food which gives them the required energy. Okay, and the energy present in the food get released when organisms respire or breathe. Okay, and can you answer that how many cells present in our body? The answer is human body consists of a trillions of cells. Okay, and here you can see the picture of a cell, and there are some organelles present in the cell, and the outer structure is known as cell membrane, and the inner fluidic structure is known as cytoplasm. And inside the cell, a large circular type structure that is called nucleus, and in cytoplasm many cell organelles are found, such as Golgi apparatus, ribosome, lysosome, endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria. Okay, so among these cell organelles, mitochondria is the main functional for respiration. Okay, so here you can see the mitochondria is the cell organelle that is present inside the cell. Here the cellular respiration takes place in a cell organelle that is called mitochondria. Okay, let's see respiration, cellular respiration, as how food helps us in gaining energy. As we breathe, we take in the air that contains oxygen in it and breathe out air which contains carbon dioxide. This oxygen, when transported to our cells, help in breaking down the food and we get energy. And cellular respiration can be defined as the process by which the food that we eat is broken down inside the cells and which results in the release of energy. And all the cells in the living organisms undergo cellular respiration. And the cellular respiration takes place in the cell organelle that I have already shown you, that is in mitochondria. Okay, and here the oxygen that an organism breathes in reacts with the carbohydrates or glucose present in our food and result in release of carbon dioxide, water and energy. Okay, so that is the main fund of cellular respiration, the release of energy during cellular respiration. Here oxygen, in presence of oxygen, glucose is broken down and energy is released with the product of carbon dioxide and water. Okay, and diverse organisms do respiration in different ways. Some use oxygen to break down the food completely, some use other pathways that do not involve oxygen. So on this basis respiration is of two types that I will discuss in the next class. There are mainly two types of respiration. One is aerobic and another is anaerobic. In aerobic respirations, that is takes place in presence of oxygen, and anaerobic respiration, that is happens in the cells in absence of oxygen. So how this respiration takes place in such organisms, okay, that I will discuss in more detail in the next slide. Okay, that's all today. Thank you. Have a nice day.